In this video, we're going to review the fish mapping fishing recommendation feature available from SiriusXM Marine. To access these features, you'll need to install a Raymarine SR200 with a compatible Axiom MFD. Once installed, you'll need to call SiriusXM Marine at 855-869-5480 and ask for the fish mapping package. You will also need to ensure that your MFD has the most current software from Raymarine. Please visit the Raymarine Support Center for software update information. Once these steps are completed, from your Raymarine MFD home screen, you can select Chart. On the next screen, tap the menu icon at the top of the chart screen. From the list on the right, select Mode, and then select Fish Mapping. Fish mapping should now be shown as the mode when the chart menu is selected. Now, in the fish mapping menu, note the following: fishing recommendations, fish mapping layers, show legend. We recommend that you keep this legend on while you familiarize yourself with all the features, and the gear wheel symbol, which represents settings. Next, select the settings button and then the fish mapping tab at the top. This subscription page allows you to see the time and date information that includes details when each layer of data was updated and received. If no timestamp is present, the data has not downloaded. You should leave the system on and check back again in a few minutes. Once the times are present, you can return to the fish mapping menu. Next, select the Fishing Recommendations button. You should now see the 6 fish species. Selecting these allows you to view locations where oceanographers have recommended there is a higher probability that you will find specific types of game fish based on their data-driven analysis. The locations overlaid on your chart can be viewed in combination with any of the other features. These recommendations are updated twice a week on Tuesday and Friday mornings. Press the X button in the upper right-hand corner to view information on the full screen. On screen will be shaded areas of different colors. The different colors indicate the different species selected. Note the menu in the lower right, showing which species are selected and their color code. You can also tap and hold on any of the colored circles on screen to display a pop-up with specific information about any of the circles. These recommendations should be treated as a prediction or forecast. They're based on specific oceanographic data for each species, including water temperature, plankton, sea height, and bottom contours, to name a few. When there's not enough data to meet the criteria, no recommendations will be shown. It's also important to consider that regardless of what species is shown, areas with any fishing recommendations demonstrate locations that are much more likely to have bait fish and include the key oceanographic features that often attract any game fish. If conditions are not ideal and no recommendations appear, users should overlay the individual fish mapping features like plankton front strength and/or sea temperature front strength to determine the areas where fish will most likely be found. Keep in mind that the likelihood or probability of locating game fish will ultimately increase by using several fish mapping features in combination. For additional information and resources, please visit our fish mapping website at SiriusXM.com/fish mapping. For videos specific to your marine display, please visit our marine video library at SiriusXM.com/marine library. Please also stay in touch by joining our social media sites. We encourage all of our SiriusXM Marine subscribers needing support or who simply want to share your comments to reach out via email at marine.support@SiriusXM.com. Thank you.